Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you already didn't. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the number plate lights. Today when I got into the car and when I tried to start it, I got this message on the dash. It says number plate light failure, and in this video we're going to cover exactly that. To do this, all you need is a small or mid-sized flathead screwdriver. Now place your screwdriver right here on the right side and gently push down the light bulb housing. Here it is. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. I'm gonna place my flathead screwdriver right here and push the housing down. Alright, here's the metal clip which holds it in place, and here are the plastic notches. Now to replace them, all you gotta do is twist off the bulb housing. You can actually see that this one is burned out. I'm gonna pull out the bulb. I got two new bulbs for maybe like 50 euro cents or something like that, so I'm gonna replace both of them. I'm gonna push in the new bulb and I'm gonna screw back in the bulb housing. Now pay attention to the notches, place them in the right position first and push the other side in. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Even though this bulb seems okay, I'm still gonna replace it. I'm gonna put the new bulb in. Screw in the bulb housing. I'm gonna put everything back, and that's basically it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.